Time for your tropical update. Let's start with Hurricane Gordon, kind of an unusual spot for a strong hurricane, a Category 2. You can see this spinning well out into the Atlantic. The islands right here are the Portuguese islands of the Azores, and especially Santa Maria, which is right in here, is going to take a pretty strong hit from Gordon as it races off to the east. I would imagine those rain bands will be there within the next couple of hours or so. This is moving east at 23 miles per hour, wind speed up to 100 miles per hour, and the pressure is at 973 millibars. This will continue to race off toward the east-northeast. So you see the track, it should start to decrease in intensity a little bit before reaching the islands. A little more shear involved, a little cooler water temperatures, and this as it continues to move off to the east, we'll get into the really cool water temperatures, and that's when it dissipates, likely before it reaches a place like Portugal. In terms of your watches and warnings, there are hurricane warnings up for the southern Azores, in particular Santa Maria, one spot where this is going to cross as likely a Category 1 storm. And then you see those water temps dropping from the mid-70s that have sustained it into the low 70s and upper 60s that will start to get rid of our storm. Also watching a tropical wave that is west of the Cape Verde Islands. You see it's spinning a little bit right in here. There's a good chance this will develop over the next 48 to 72 hours. Doesn't look like it will be a rapid development, and as we time it out, by Wednesday it should reach the Windward Islands. By Thursday, perhaps the area of Puerto Rico. So it's moving pretty quickly. You look at the models and it's back and forth. At times they have just taken the storm and blown it up. Right now, really nothing grabs it and brings it into a tropical storm hurricane type system, but definitely needs to be watched. And it would be Isaac. And the I names have an infamous history. Irene, Igor, Ike, Ivan, Isabel, Isidore, and Iris all retired. 7 of the last 11 I name storms have been dropped from the list and replaced. So certainly something we'll be watching very carefully this week.